Michael Schumacher recently made his first public appearance in over a decade. One of Michael Schumacher's closest friends believes he will never make a full recovery from the injuries he sustained over a decade ago. The former Ferrari driver was involved in a near-fatal accident while skiing off-piste in the French Alps in 2013. Very little is known about Schumacher's current condition, with his family opting to keep things under wraps in order to protect his privacy. However, in a surprising turn of events, he was recently seen in public for the first time in many years. Schumacher attended the wedding of his daughter at the family's villa in Majorca, according to the Mirror. He was said to have appeared in front of the other guests, who were required to leave their phones at the door so that nobody could take pictures of him. The F1 legend was able to watch his eldest child walk down the aisle in a rare positive update on his health. However, one of his closest friends is not expecting him to ever be like he was before his accident. Roger Benoit, a prominent F1 journalist who has a close relationship with the Schumacher family, described his situation as a case without hope in an interview with Blick last year. When asked if there were any updates to share, Benoit replied, "There is only one answer to this question, and that is simply what his son Mick gave in one of his rare interviews in 2022. I would give anything to talk to Dad." This sentence says everything about how his father has been doing for over 3,500 days. A case without hope. Schumacher's condition remains a mystery to the outside world, with his wife Corinna fiercely protective of her husband's right to a private life. In 2014, fellow former racing driver Philippe Strife said Michael was paralyzed and used a wheelchair, though it is unclear if this is still the case. Strife, who uses a wheelchair himself after a racing accident, said, "He is getting better, but everything is relative.